Robin Hill Construction is a family building and civil engineering business based in Green Island in County Antrim. We live and breathe construction here, and broadband with 4G Assure keeps our business connected. Biggest challenge as a senior contracts manager is being always on. Sometimes I have the phone in one hand and spirit level in the other. Drawings become tablecloths. We don't stop at 5 o'clock, we don't start at 8 o'clock in the morning. When I was a child in the family construction business, tender packages used to arrive as a large bunch of papers. For example, the architect's design information from the structural engineer. Nowadays, all of that comes through our broadband. If that connection fails, it's the equivalent of having bricklayers with no mortar. The operation stops. The order was placed on the Friday, and on the Saturday morning the equipment arrived, and like a child with a new toy, I was intrigued. The setup took around 10 minutes. It's reliable, and it's one less thing for me to worry about. The speed and reliance of a good broadband connection is critical for the running of a project, but it's actually critical before the project is even a live contract for us. Tender packages and design information are very often of large file size, and that information is going round between 3 or 4 parties, all through our broadband connection. I know that in the event of a cable being damaged, which actually did happen in this area a number of years ago, that broadband with 4G Assure will keep us independently connected. With the kids in the car, it's great to show things and say, "Daddy built that." My dad has been doing it to me all of my childhood, and now I'm doing it to my children. It is the built environment, and it's there for a very long time, long after we're gone, so there's a huge sense of pride in that.